These work really good on whiting. Let this one sit and let it do its thing. Guys, we're on. We're on. On. Look at that. And all I did was just let it sit. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm out here fishing at Maylands. I've brought my two rods here today. I'm going to do something different. I'm going to put some bait, real bait, on one rod and a plastic on another, and see which one of these the brim favour. So this is the fake bait that I have today. It's the sandworms, bloody bloodworms by Gulp. These work really good on whiting, but I'm going to see if they work well on the brim today. And I just got the standard rods. So this is it, little bloodworm, soft plastic. I'm gonna put it on a jig head. The great thing about this is you don't even need to jig it. It's that effective. This one you can jig if you want, or you can just let it sit. I'm just gonna let this one sit and let it do its thing. Alright, let's start with this one, with the bait. I'll cast soft plastic, see how we go with this one. Not too far, but it should be fine. Okay, I've got them both out in the water. We'll see what produces on either of these rods. Guys, we're on the soft plastic. This will be my first ever catch on a soft plastic. I am so excited. Wow, oh my God, we're finally on. Look at that. What is that? What is that, dude? What the hell is that? That's a nice sized fish. I don't know what he is. Guys, first ever fish on the soft plastic here. And all I did was just let it sit. I have no idea what he is. If you guys know in the comments, let me know. Yeah, I've never seen anything like this. Wow, I need to take a photo before I throw him off. All right, about to send this sucker back. Oh, come on. Oh, nope, wrong way, fella. Wrong way. Head that way. It's this guy. He's a bit of a slow learner. Come on. Swim. Okay. Shit, is it alright? There we go. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna recast this little soft plastic again, so it clearly works, and see if we can catch something else. Bite on this rod here. I think now the fish are finally starting to bite. But I think my bait's gone anyways, so I might just bring it in and recast. Oh, they're biting. They're definitely biting. Yeah, bait's completely gone. We'll rehook and recast. I just got snagged a second ago, bringing this in to check. I have to re-rig this thing. I may or may not just do that, let's see. I just got snagged and I lost my rig, unfortunately, my jig head. And I don't have any leader with me today to retie it to the braid. So from here on, we'll just be using the bait rod. Right, just had some nibbles, but no solid bites. I'm gonna just do one more cast and give it about maybe 20 minutes. All right, so that was our Swan River sesh with plastics versus reel bait. I was not able to catch anything after our last clip. I did, however, have 2 nibbles. One was a solid bite. Unfortunately, I was handling the drone while that took place, so I missed the hookup on that one, and that might have been a nice brim. Otherwise, we did catch 1 fish today on the soft plastic. I don't know what that was. Let me know in the comments what it is, and if it's edible, does it taste any good? Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. We've had a bit of a fishing drought for the past few months. The water is starting to warm up a bit more, so hopefully that means more fish in the near future. Alright guys, good seeing you again. We're back. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.